Hey guys, so as you guys know, it was a windy day at my house today and I recorded wind chimes. Well, apparently it was also windy at Vinyl Nerd's house and he recorded wind chimes too. So I figured I'd react to it and see how strong it was at his house. So here we go.
Hey guys, the wind has been picking up quite a bit today.
I don't know what's going on with your Grace Note chime there, but it seems like the striker is stuck.
A bit more today than it has the last few days. That's why I haven't really been recording out here much lately. It calmed down. Of course, right before I start recording and it decides to calm down. That's just typical. I can never get the really good gusts of wind on video. Guess that's just...
Yeah, I've always noticed, like, Vinyl Nerd's house is, like, the wind's not as strong there as it is here. Like, you guys have seen how strong it gets here. It's never that strong at his house. Now, ceiling fan wind chimes and trains, on the other hand, his is like my house. It goes crazy.
my luck.
And I think wind chime fan has also had some pretty good days, so I think... in order, my house is the windiest. Ceiling fan, wind chimes, and trains is the second windiest. Wind chime fan is the third windiest. And then Vinyl Nerd's dead last. Like, his wind always seems very calm for some reason.
This just keeps happening to my Grace Note chime.
Oh, that's what was wrong. It's wrapped around
Maybe
that
I should
solar
move this
thing.
one.
I wish Grace Note was still in business. I would love to have one. Although I'd have to listen. I don't even know what Grace Note is, really. Like, I've never heard of this company until... well, honestly, until I joined the wind chime community. Oh, I think... yeah, there's a little gust, it sounds like. That Grace Note chime sounds really good. I'd love to have a yard that big. Could you imagine how many more wind chimes I could have? Like, I could install hooks everywhere. That would be great.
I'm hoping that I can get at least one good gust of wind on video.
I hope so too.
That would be really nice, honestly.
I'm looking at the gazing ball chime right now, and I'm just thinking to myself, I'm thinking, why? Why did they discontinue that one? That looks so pretty. Like, I don't understand. Oh yeah, I figured out which Arius, I think that's how you say it. I figured out which ones have the holes in the top. It's the older ones. The newer ones are the ones without the holes, is what Wind Chime Fan told me.
Now I really wish I would have just got that nice big gust we had earlier. It was crazy.
Was it like
Chimes are going nuts for
like the ones that are at
least
my
a few
house
seconds.
sometimes?
I always miss an opportunity to get the really good stuff on video.
Yeah. Sometimes I do too. I don't know if it's just me, but that chime sounds really quiet.
I can at least say that the weather is once again nice. Although I did find out that we're getting another cold snap.
Yup, which I Oh, I freaking hate. I just want it to stay warm. And I don't know about you, Vinyl Nerd, but we have a chance of snow Sunday. I think it's either Saturday or Sunday, which is, it kills me. We're finally starting to get warm, and then it has to go back to cold. It kills me.
I am not in any way looking forward to it.
Me neither.
Because I'm honestly over the winter weather at this point.
Me too. It's so stupid. I mean,
but I'm hoping once that...
I mean, I know the weather can't help it, but like... but still, I wish I could tell it to go away.
Shit all passes through. We'll have nice weather again. I'm hoping that this upcoming cold snap is our last one, and then it's over for the year.
Yeah, but unfortunately, it's still only February. Well, it's the 20th, so we don't have that many days left, which I'm so happy about.
I'm already hearing frogs. I don't know if you can hear them. Probably not. They're out in the distance.
Oh, yeah, I hear that. It might be what you call... Is that an upland chorus frog?
I can't tell what kind of frogs they are.
Yeah, I think it is. It's one of those chorus frog species. I think it's an upland chorus frog or something. I doubt it'd be a western chorus frog because he's on the east coast like I am.
Yeah, somewhere out in the distance I hear them.
That's amazing. Like, I haven't heard him here yet, but man, am I excited. Well, then again, I never hear him around my house. We have to go places to hear him. Is it because of that stream that runs back through there?
Okay, there's definitely more wind coming through here.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of ironic, because this is the spot that usually doesn't catch much wind.
Yeah, that's kind of how things work at my house, too. If you guys notice behind, like, where the Music of the Spears are, like, there's not as much wind back there. That's, like, the calmest area there is around my house. But then as soon as you get, like, in my front yard where the, Bells of Paradise is, it's, like, crazy.
Usually further up there is where all the wind comes through. Here, there's usually not so much, but there's actually a little bit more here this time.
Yeah.
That's kind of nice.
Every now and then it changes, but not much.
I'm thinking I want to have these three moved back into the front yard pretty soon, just so they can...
Why are they in the backyard anyway?
Catch more wind. Because the times I hang out in the front yard catch a lot more wind. There's a lot more wind that comes through there usually. So I think they'd be better off there, because I want these to catch more wind. I don't think they're getting enough here, in all honesty. You may have also noticed that the video quality looks a bit different. That's because I'm using my actual camera for this one instead of my phone.
Yeah, I noticed the chimes aren't like I've noticed when the chimes ring on the other videos, they'll ring like for a second, but then they'll start glitching and go That's the best impression I can do of how his camera does. But this one actually does it the way it should, which I'm glad.
I don't think I've ever used this camera for any of my YouTube videos before. Well, the 3 videos that I uploaded before this one, those were all recorded on this camera. Every other video, all the other videos I have were either on my a screen recorder or on my phone. And then the even older videos I have were on a much older camera. And when I say it was much older, I mean it was a much older camera. And the quality on that one was shit. This one, on the other hand, is actually really nice. This one is good. This is really good quality compared to that old one I had.
Yeah, it really is.
That one was really just
Oh, there's a gust.
not good quality at all. So I like this one way better. So you might see videos later on that will be recorded with the same camera, because I actually really like this.
Yeah, I do. I really like this camera too.
Now there's more wind up there again, so back to the usual.
That's a big yard. I'd love to have that.
Okay, this is better, but it's still not like that gust of wind we had earlier. I'm kind of mad I didn't get that on video, because it was really cool.
Oh wow, there we go. I still feel like my wind was stronger though.
Okay, watching the gazing ball chime spin around is actually kind of funny.
I wonder if that post is like causing like some sort of effect. Because yeah, it is kind of going in circles. Look at that. Sorry about that, guys. My phone ran out of storage, so I had to erase stuff real quick. So I backed the video up 10 seconds just to make sure I didn't miss anything. So here we go. Yeah, I was saying, I wonder if that post creates some sort of effect. Because see how it's spinning? Oh, here we go. There's a good gust.
Here we go, this is better.
Yeah, it is. Still not as strong as mine was, though. Yeah, I just like the sound of the gazing ball chime, too. I don't understand why they discontinued it. It looked good and it sounded good. It is one chime I can say looks and sounds equally as good.
Did this one get tangled again? Oh my god. Okay, well it's not as bad this time. Let me just...
You probably should get rid of that cord or something. Just so it can't do that.
Because I was wondering for a second, like, why is this one not making any noise?
I can't wait to see what he does, like, once he hangs all his chimes up. Well, if he hangs all of them up.
Oh, here comes a pretty big one.
Oh, what? Don't get tangled up. There we go, it didn't. I saw it go near the cord. Well, there's the middle coming out.
Oh, look at the Arius chime.
That's a big one. Wait, what's that wooden chime over there? I saw it. I guess he's starting to hang stuff out. Whoa, it is going crazy over there. It looked like a Woodstock chime he had hung up over there. Or it could have been his other Arius chime.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.
Well, his wind wasn't as strong as ours, but still I liked it. So that's it for now. Bye.